chiki sablay.
Kasay sablay.
Dito ano? Ito ba kasi nagkakatay ilalo paggawa sa nato.
Emergency situation. So I will be discussing to you first aid. So first aid is muli siya ang medical attention given to a victim right after na-injured ang victim. So I will be discussing to you CPR and FBAW or foreign body airway obstruction or layman term is choking. So, kung tayo ang purpose sa first aid, number 1 is to prevent knife. So, nakapapagpapag para ma-preserve ang life ng further disease to prevent further injuries and contact victims. So, I will be working with a volunteer para ang CPR or